Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a meditation practice with Headspace, full guide step by step clearly. To build a meditation practice with Headspace, begin by downloading the Headspace app from your app store. Once installed, open the app and create your account. You will be prompted to select your meditation experience level. Choose whether you are a beginner or have some experience. Next, take a moment to set your personal meditation goals. These might include reducing stress, improving focus, or enhancing your general well-being. After setting your goals, explore the app's home screen to familiarize yourself with the features. Locate the Start Here section for beginner-friendly content. Select a foundational course, designed to introduce you to meditation techniques. As you start your first session, find a quiet and comfortable space to sit or lie down. Follow the guided instructions provided by the app. Focus on your breath, allowing thoughts to come and go without judgment. Aim for a daily practice, even if it's just 5 to 10 minutes initially. As you grow more comfortable, gradually increase your practice duration. Explore various themed meditations available in the app, such as sleep or focus sessions. Don't hesitate to revisit basic courses as needed, reinforcement is key. Set reminders within the app to help you stay consistent with your practice. Use the courses feature to explore specific topics that resonate with your objectives. Join in on the community share options if you feel inclined. Community support can be motivating. Utilize the sleep section for guided sessions aimed at relaxation before bedtime. Experiment with different types of meditations, including visualization and body scans. Track your progress within the app to visualize your journey. Reflect on how meditation impacts your daily life, noting any changes or improvements. If distractions arise, practice returning your focus to the breath. Remember that building a practice takes time. Be patient and kind to yourself. After a few weeks, evaluate how you feel and adjust your goals as needed. Continue to explore new features and courses to keep your practice fresh and engaging. With consistency, you will cultivate a meaningful meditation practice with Headspace. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.